Hi guys, my name is Romeo Alcrin and this is my rope access channel. Today I will show you how to use a descender in rope access. First, you need to guarantee that you have a non-destructible anchor with at least 2 anchor slings or wire straps and 2 ropes. Make sure the end of the ropes have stopper knot. The stopper knot is very important. So that I have that guarantee, and now I will pull the rope to the down. Now make sure you have visually that the hand of the ropes touch the ground. The first gear that you will use in this moment is connect your fall arresting system. Don't forget to test the equipment, okay? Second one, the second rope, the other rope, I will assemble in the descender. Open in here and put the rope inside, left to the right, top to the bottom. Close. Remove the slack. Now I'm well prepared to jump over the guardrail. Okay? Before start to lower, remember that is easy for you if you have one rope in each side. In this moment, I have my fall arresting system to the left side and the descender on the middle. First, unlock the fall arresting system, put the rope on the correct place and grab with your right hand. With the left hand, move the handle and find the place that you could control easy your descent. When you have your feet more or less the height of your waist, you may start to walk. Now I'm prepared to work. Nice job.